Crevin's Performance Plus fabrics are designed for high-activity environments. That's why their maintenance is very simple, and practically any type of stain can be easily removed. Performance Plus offers a 5-year warranty against premature wear, thanks to its special finish. The protection is integrated into the fiber of the fabric, not just on the surface. This means Performance Plus fabrics don't lose their protection over time. A stain can penetrate the fabric, but not the fiber. Just rub it with a solution of water and neutral soap to make it disappear. Adding a few drops of neutral soap to the solution makes cleaning easier and more hygienic. For more persistent stains, dampen the fabric and then rub it. Performance Plus fabrics are highly resistant to rubbing and pilling, and they maintain their color. Performance Plus by Crevin. Designed to last.